Hindi raw palalampasin ng mga maghahain sana ng impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM ang pagtanggi ng opisina ng House Secretary General. Posible raw na dalhin nila ang issue sa Korte Suprema. Narito ang exclusive agenda report ng ating kasamang si Pinky Webb.
Para kay Attorney Ferdinand Topacio, dapat ma-sanction si House Secretary General Cheloy Garafil dahil hindi tinanggap ng kanyang opisina ang mga ihahain sanang impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
It pains me to say this because the present Secretary General is a good friend of mine. We worked together under President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. Yes.
Yeah. Kasama ni Topacio bilang complainant sina former Congressman Mike Defensor at Jacinto Paras, Attorney Manuelito Luna, Attorney Harold Respicio, Cathy Binag at Virgilio Garcia. Hindi tinanggap ng Office of the Secretary General ang kanilang reklamo dahil out of office kahapon si Garafil. Pero ayon sa Section 3 ng Rules of Procedure ng Kamara, tila hindi kailangan na mismong Secretary General ang tumanggap ng impeachment complaint. Kailangan lang na ihain ito sa kanyang opisina at ma-refer agad sa House Speaker. Kaya naman kinokonsidera ni Topacio na dalhin ang issue sa Korte Suprema.
Because this practice has to stop. It happened with the Makabayan Bloc. It happened with Duterte Youth last year. They only accept the impeachment complaints that they want. And those that they do not want, they find one reason or another to reject it or refuse to accept it outright.
Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, iginiit ni Topacio na mas malakas ang kanilang reklamo kaysa sa unang impeachment complaint na inihain ni Attorney Andre De Jesus.
I believe there is a lot of evidence that is what they say res ipsa loquitur, or they speak for themselves. The failure to veto certain provisions which have already been held unconstitutional in the 2013 case of Belgica. The knowledge that there is corruption, but as stated by no less than a member of the legislature, Representative Toby Tiangco, who has no interest in impeaching the president.
Which one among his statements are you
The one where he said that ilang bahay pa ba sa Forbes Park, etc. Gaano karaming caviar.
Naniniwala si Topacio na hindi magtatagumpay ang complaint ni De Jesus at mas substantial pa raw ang Sabayan at Makabayan Bloc.
A lot of lawmakers share my view that it is going to be dismissed, and however, it will serve the purpose of inoculating the president for 1 year.
Kaya lang hindi rin tinanggap ng opisina ni Garafil ang reklamo ni Bayan President Renato Reyes Jr.
We messaged the SecGen at ang information was that she would be out of the country. We asked was, will there be someone who would receive the complaint? We didn't get a reply.
Hindi na sumagot doon?
Hindi na. So, nasin lang kami. Ang trabaho ng Secretary General is ministerial. Tatanggapin niya, re-receive niya, and tatransmit niya. The SecGen has no discretion on this matter.
Tanong ni Reyes, bakit pinapahirapan ang mga complainant?
This is a mechanism for the citizens, for the taxpayers to seek accountability. Why make that process so hard?
Plano ni Reyes na bumalik sa Kamara sa Lunes para tiyaking tatanggapin nito ang kanilang reklamo.
It would be really bad faith if they know that we are filing, yet they will proceed with referring just one complaint and exclude the others. So, bakit may pinapaboran? The impeachment should not be a rat race. Hindi naman po dapat ito unahan lang ng unahan. Tignan natin yung substantial public interest in this case.
Aminado si Bayan President Renato Reyes na hindi sila optimistic o malakas ang loob sa kapalaran ng kanilang impeachment complaint. Gayunpaman, tungkulin daw nila na ito'y ihain pa rin para sa hustisya. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.